The government today said that the indicators of the Global Hunger Index are flawed and do not reflect the country's true picture. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today cited World Economic Forum data of 140 million middle-income households to be added to India's economy by 2030 as a sign of India's strength going forward. The month-long Kashi Tamil Sangamam in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh will conclude today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be present as the chief guest at the closing ceremony to be held in Banaras Hindu University. Bangladesh is celebrating its 52nd Victory Day to mark its liberation from Pakistan in 1971. The Indian women's hockey team will look to continue their winning run in the FIH Women's Nations Cup 2022 when they face Ireland in the semi-final in Valencia, Spain today.